Are you considering a career in the insurance industry? Becoming a licensed life and health insurance agent could be a lucrative career. However, before you can start assisting clients with their insurance needs, you must first obtain the necessary licensing. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step to help you navigate through that process. Hello, my name is Artez, and welcome to Insure Your Success YouTube channel, where we train and assist insurance agents how to build and grow their business. So let's jump right into it. The first step to obtain your life and health insurance license is to register for a pre-licensing course. Most states require you to complete a 40-hour pre-licensing course, which can be taken online or in a classroom setting. These courses provide you with a foundational knowledge and understanding of insurance principles, laws, and regulations, which you would need in order to pass the state exam. In the description of this video, I have included a link that will give you a special discounted price to take your pre-licensing course online. Once you have completed your pre-licensing course, then it's time to register for your state exam. This exam is designed to test your knowledge of insurance concepts and ensure that you are prepared to become a licensed agent. Be sure to review the material that you received in your pre-licensing course to increase your chances of passing your exam on the first attempt. Once you are ready to register for your state exam, I have included a link in the description of this video to help you do that. Successfully passing your state exam, now it's time to apply for your insurance license. Each state has their own licensing requirements, so make sure you check your state's Department of Insurance website for details. You may have to provide documentation, such as completion of your pre-licensing course and proof that you have passed your state exam as part of the application process. To apply for your insurance license, you can visit nipara.com. I have included the link in the description of this video. Once you have obtained your insurance license, you can begin the process of getting contract with the carriers. Contracting with the carriers allows you to sell their products to potential clients. Research different carriers to find the products and the services that align with your interests and your expertise. Congratulations, you have completed all the necessary steps to becoming a licensed insurance agent. Now it's time to embark on a new career journey. Whether you choose to work independently or work with an insurance agency, being a licensed insurance agent opens up a world of opportunity. By following these steps and staying informed about the industry regulations and best practices, you can position yourself for success. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey as an insurance agent. For more information on how to become a licensed life and health insurance agent, or if you need assistance with getting contract with carriers, you can check the description in this video. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video.